Hey friends, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. I have a fun wig to show you guys today. This is Margu KENDALL in the color 130H. I've never reviewed this wig, and I don't think I've reviewed this color either. It is a gorgeous coppery red. Oh my gosh. This wig is darling, and I'm so excited to show her to you. If you want to know more about KENDALL or this color, then stick around. I will tell you all about her. This wig, you guys, I had no idea that this wig was so incredibly cute. It is darling. I want to show you this one from all sides before we start talking about her. These waves are just stunning. I could never ever style a human hair wig with curls like this. They just are perfect. One of the huge benefits of synthetic wigs, this is regular synthetic, is you can get curly styles that aren't something that you maybe could do on a human hair wig, and these curls are baked in, so they are not going anywhere. You can wash it and it will dry with these curls intact. It also has this awesome cute fringe. I just love the way it sort of swoops to the side. But if you're a bang wearer, you can absolutely cut bangs into this one, and you've got the start of bangs already, which will make that super, super easy to do. This piece has a lace front and I believe it's a, let me take it off and show you the top. I think it might be a mono part. I can't remember. I'm doing a whole bunch of reviews today and I can't. Mono top, that's what I was going to say. It has a full mono top. So, free parting space anywhere on the top. We've got soft ear tabs with bendable stays, an open extended nape, Velcro adjusters, and the rest is open wefted. I think this is what I would consider a light to moderate density. It's probably more moderate. It's not a super light density piece, but it doesn't have a ton of hair. It's just kind of the perfect amount of hair. It's so great. Now it does have some permatease. I can feel permatease on the sides right here and in the back. So I would say all around the perimeter outside of that monofilament, it has some permatease. What that does is it gives it a little bit of roundness, just a little bit of volume on the top, because without that, these curls would be voluminous, but the top would be really flat. It isn't a super heavy amount of permatease, but it is there and I can feel it. So if you try to avoid wigs with permatease, keep that in mind. I am looking in the mirror right now. I do not feel that this is giving me a huge voluminous head of hair, so I don't think it will be super overwhelming. But if you are new to wearing wigs, sometimes, and you've had hair loss for a long time, sometimes just a little bit of permatease can be challenging. Now, like I said, these are synthetic fibers, so they're made out of synthetic, not heat-friendly synthetic. So this isn't a wig that you would take heat to. One thing though that I really appreciate is it's not super shiny. Sometimes regular synthetic wigs can have this synthetic shine that can be a little disconcerting. Some of us aren't super sensitive to it, but some of us are. I'm not finding this to be super shiny. I do feel that the fibers feel a little dry. They're not super silky. I think that might contribute to the lack of shine, and honestly, I just think it's got this really realistic look to it. The hair fibers just look like human hair. Even though it feels a little dry, it definitely doesn't look dry or bad at all. That's just something that sometimes happens with synthetic wigs. Now, I did show you quickly that lace front before, but let me just show it to you once more because I think they did a really good job with it. So if you want to pull this hair up off your face, you want to do a little clip, you can absolutely do that. It has a great lace front. So overall, I think this wig is darling. I love the curl pattern. I love the layered cut and the side swept bangs. I just think this is the perfect everyday hair. I think this is one that you could wear day in and day out and feel super comfortable with it. And because it's not heat friendly, you're not gonna have to worry about the damage to the ends from friction on your clothing like you would with those types of wigs. Now, I find Margu caps to fit pretty true to average, maybe slightly larger than average. It kind of depends. Some styles, they fit a little bigger than others. They have a lot of stretch, and I get really good coverage. These ear tabs come way down on me. So I would say this is running really true to average. I have an average petite head measurement all around my head, and it's fitting me really comfortably. I have a wig grip on, which that's how I would wear this. I'd wear it with a wig grip, and I wouldn't feel the need to use any adhesive on the front. I could wear it all day, and I wouldn't worry about it going anywhere. It fits great. All right, let's talk about this color, 130H. This is a gorgeous copper red with some blonde highlights. In the Henry Margu line, when there's an H at the end, it means it's a highlighted piece. The blonde highlights are not super visible though. They're just very slight, like there's one right here, if you could see that. Very slight, not over the top. Just a gorgeous copper red with no rooting and no lowlights. My redheads, you are gonna love this color. I think you can kind of see what I mean on the very top here. So you can see a few of the streaks. We've got like almost, that's the strawberry, and then we've got the copper red. I'll get outside so that you can see this color outside. If this feels like a really true redhead type of hair to me. So beautiful. I'll have to admit something to you guys. I normally do not like non-rooted wigs. I don't care what color they are. I like a darker at the root, and I like some lowlights, but I'm loving this color so much. I am tempted to just wear it because I don't think I've ever worn a color like this that didn't have any rooting or any lowlights, but I just think it's gorgeous. So beautiful. Let me know if you have any questions, and if you have experience with this beautiful piece, let us know in the comments. Kendall has been around for a while, and people love this style, and now I see why. Thanks for watching. Let's get outside. All right, you guys, look at this color. Oh, I just think this is the cutest style. Can't believe I have never tried it before. A great red, really great red. All right. Thanks for watching.
Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.